April 30th. I'm in Tamil. I'm gonna get some food and maybe explore a little bit of Kathmandu. Yo, so the course is here better than in the airport. A lot of money exchange, a lot of hiking shoes. Yeah, you can see like Timberland, professional, you know, the high altitude shoes like for Everest even. Yeah, you can get everything here, no problem. No need to buy nothing. A bunch of tourists around, like definitely way more than I see in India. This Tamil is quite crowded, but it's not that bad. You can see still the street is pretty much good, you know, you can like drive freely. So that's very nice. I'm amazed, like they have the 30 million people in whole Nepal. Some of them have like Indian features, the other like are more Tibetan. Yeah, so I just had some food here, organic smoothie bowl. I paid for an omelet and the smoothie bowl 700. So I would say that's pretty decent, like €5. And the food quality was very good. Yeah, I don't know where to go. I'm just gonna walk around. There's a lot of temples, like cable cars. I'll change some money. Yo, you can get like a full Everest suit here, like look. That looks interesting. Mats and stuff. Yeah. So you can rent a sleeping bag for 300 per day. So that's like €2 per day. I need to change some money. You know, some souvenirs. These girls tell me they're going somewhere in Kathmandu to do like a silent camp, like silent retreat. You don't talk and stuff, you spend with monks. We're gonna look in Buddhism. Saw one girl dressed as like a monk on the plane. So that's one of the things to consider if you like you don't want to do only hiking, you don't want to like look at Buddhism more. You can go like to a temple just to study Buddhism and do camps and stuff. I don't know the prices, but yeah. What else? I don't know. Let's see what this day shows us. I kind of fit in more with my glasses. They're like for hiking and stuff. So I just went to another shop. You can get like used jackets, like used sticks, you know, used backpacks, used sleeping bags, or new. You can get a new or used, like secondhand, for renting, and it only costs like jacket 100 per day, sleeping bag also 100. That's very good. Very good prices. You don't need to spend money or, you know, pack. Just rent and give it back. That's it. Yeah. Like if there's, you know, a demand, there's all the time like somebody offering you, so that's very nice, especially in these touristic areas. Oh man, I don't want to get like licked again. Them dogs were all over me yesterday. I don't know, they're like were jumping on me and stuff. Like Nepal dogs so far suck. They're not mannered. Yeah, so rabies cases per year are like 32. So that's not that much considering 30 million, 1 in a million. But still, if you get like bitten, you'll probably need to get a shot, and there's like 5 shots, not 1. So that sucks. You can't do it like in one single course. You need time. There's like alcohol shops here, barbers. Oh, this looks cool. Hello. Huh. Authentic. Not that I need it. I have it at home like this. My grandma does it, so no problem. I don't see any chai places so far. Hello. Can I film? Is it okay? Just to...
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking. Like, you do renting? Yes? Yo, so I just was in a tour company, so it's very well organized here. There's no problem like getting bags, getting shoes, getting jackets, going to Pokhara, rain. They will arrange everything, you know. No problem. Just have the money. Just have the money to pay, and they'll do everything for you. So definitely don't worry about that. It's more like vacation thing. They see it like, you know, like a holiday and stuff, and it's like the same if you go like to other kurorts like Turkey, you know, Alanya and stuff. Everything's like, you know, well organized. They know their job, and if you're like up to it, if you have the money, you know, have the health and stuff, there's no problem. Like, you can do a lot of activities. So they offered me for ABC trek Annapurna 450 with the ride from Kathmandu and coming back. It includes like food, like also what else, like accommodation. And for Everest base camp is 1,200. So that's Everest is 11 days and ABC is 6 days. So yeah. Yeah, so you can get hashish and weed here also. No problem. That looks dope. So they have pawn shops. Oh. So they have pawn shops, but I don't see like the chai guys with their buckets and pots with chai. Huh. Wonder why. I'll just keep walking. I found a place like they had like good course, like for money changing was the best like 140 something. Other places give you less. Okay, let's check out the other side of this neighborhood. Yeah, you can see swords here. That's cool. Hey, sir. Look sharp. So it seems like masala tea, like masala chai, it's not popular here, or the street vendors are like not allowed to sell. I don't know. There's just no masala tea. That's gonna be a challenge, you know, because I was so used to it. There is bubble tea. I only drink like the tea. I don't add no bubbles, no sugar. If I have this. I see here more Chinese restaurants. I don't know why. So far it's quite touristic, rare here in Tamil. Well, Tamil, I think it's famous for its tourism and stuff. They have like these Suzuki cars everywhere. Very popular. Yeah, this place is more crowded. Like the drivers, I don't know. It seems that they're not that experienced as Indian drivers. Yeah, this is way crowded. Like that area was before, it was like less. Some temple. It's a stupa, not a temple. Kind of like, I don't know what's the difference actually. So I see a lot of men like carrying stuff like this, like porters, you know. Looks kind of back-breaking. Probably they're used to it. There's definitely less honking. Like the traffic here is still kind of intense, but it's not that you can't relax. So the temples here are also like Buddhist. It's quite different. They have like this little girl. It's like they're kind of like queen or princess. She's only like 4 or 7, I don't know, but it's kind of interesting. This looks kind of nice, like the trees, temple. You can see it's like purple, quite cool. Can't use it all over the place. Chicken mama, 160. So these are the sauces. Cool, man. Which one is this? Yeah, he doesn't know. Oh, so the temples look very unique, but I see they have like Ganesh here. It's like a mixture. They even have the lions from Chinese. Interesting. The whole architecture is like Buddhism, but more like China, I think. But still like Nepalese. Yeah, it looks like every country's unique in their own kind of way. Yeah, so I'm walking half an hour to my Airbnb. Much more people here, like asking if you want to buy stuff. Yeah, the jackets are not even that expensive. I saw some for 1,000. Yeah, I'm trying other momo place. That one was kind of average. Maybe this one is better. It's only 180, so that's like a little bit more than €1. Good price. It's called Sewo Momo. Hey, so at night the dogs are like sleeping, chilling. So funny. And I mean, like, not at night, at day. And at night they're like going with packs and like destroying the neighborhood.